I always ask myself, what is the one thing this shot is about? What should the viewer notice first? Is there a clear focus point?
Which movement supports my idea?
What's the story of this moment? That's what I mean with shifting your thoughts, because most drone pilots fall into the same trap. They think they get better shots if they add speed, combine complex movements, or change directions all the time. But the only result is chaos, and that's obviously not what we want to achieve, right? Just think of it this way. A viewer doesn't see what you saw on a location. You saw all the details, you know where to look at, and you already decided what's interesting. But the viewer doesn't have that context. He doesn't know where to look at, and he doesn't know where the focus of the shot lives. So you are the one with the camera. You have to guide the viewer. Always ask yourself a few key questions and execute the shot to answer them. The cool thing is that if you shift your thoughts a little bit, you don't need any extra experience or advanced skills. It's all about the why instead of the how. Does that make sense? And don't get me wrong, it's not about getting perfect or polished drone shots every time. It's more than okay to just fire up your drone, get some good looking shots, just fly and have fun, because that's the reason we bought a drone in the first place, right? If you start flying with intention, every shot has a purpose and your results will instantly get better. If you can relate to what I just said, let me know that in the comments. I'm very curious about your opinions on the topic and what you think about this. So feel free to also help me out by leaving a like or subscribe to my channel. Thank you. When you have decided what you want to capture, now it's all about how you capture it. And here's the thing, the location decides the shot, not your ego. In a tight forest, keep it simple. Make use of a slow forward movement to match the calm environment. In an open and vast area, a slight tilt up or orbit might work better, since you can reveal the landscape and its scale. The better your movement fits the scene, the better your shot turns out. And most of the time, one simple stick input is all you need. My last tip is to keep it simple. Most beginners think complex equals cinematic, but it's the exact opposite. Every shot should have one clear read. One subject, one movement, one idea. If you try to do more, you lose control and the shot falls apart. Pick one movement and execute it clean. Don't try to do everything at once, especially in the beginning. Focus on smooth and controlled stick inputs. A simple push-in or straightforward movement will always look better than a messy combination of moves. It's not about doing more, it's all about doing one thing well. If you want to take this further, watch this video next on how to get smooth and cinematic drone movements, because a clean execution is what makes these ideas actually work. See you there.